Hi everyone, welcome to the first in a series of videos to try and show you how to effectively use your sanakey device. What I'd like to do is take you through some of the different settings in the device and show you how to use them to be effective in pain relief. So let's first of all go to the first process that we do with the sanakey is switch it on, and all we need to do is hold that home button down for 2 seconds. So that's how we turn the device on and off. I'm going to do that again. Turn off and then turn on. 1, 2, release. Give a minute for the device to boot up and then we're ready to go. So what happens now is you can see that the energy is on level 1, and I can't touch that screen because that little hand is there, and that just means that I've got a screen lockout. So all I need to do to clear that every time that comes up is just touch that, and you've got about 4 seconds to make a change. So let's do that again, just clear it. So I'm going to take you through what all these little signs mean. So first of all, this big number in the center is your energy level, and that gives you an indication of how much you feel on the skin when the signal is going through the device. Now, just remember, there is no arbitrary setting. It all depends on, can you feel the tingle? So the tingle should not be uncomfortable. You should be able to feel it, as I say to my patients, comfortably uncomfortable. Okay, so that you can handle the device being on your skin, but it should not hurt you. So for someone that may be 25, for another person that may be only 12. Other people may have it up to 99, which is the top level, before they feel anything, and that's okay, as long as you don't hurt yourself. So that's the energy level. Now let's move on to accessing the different settings in the device. Now remember, turning the device on will automatically take us to the basic setting, and that's always indicated in the top left hand corner of your device. It'll always tell you what setting you're in. Remember, this number is your energy level, how much you can feel the device. So let's do a little walkthrough of how we get to change these settings. And if you look in the top right hand corner, you can see a little flower, or as we say, it's a gear icon. And we use that to access the different settings. And so what I'm going to do now is touch with my finger that gear icon. Let's have a look at that again. I'm going to touch that top right hand corner, and that takes us into the mode menu where all our settings are. Now remember, each time that hand comes up, all I need to do is tap that home button. Now see the arrows going up and down? You just touch the screen on either of those, and the setting that you can select is highlighted. So here you can see the relaxation setting is highlighted, but I can't turn that on until I clear the screen. So I'm clearing the screen, and then I press the bottom of the screen, which is select. And so now you can see that the device is in the relaxation setting. So now I can put the device on the skin and turn the energy up so I can feel it. I can feel the impulse in the relaxation setting. As you can see, there's this little start menu. Now what this little trick is, you can swap between 2 settings. Now let me show you how that works. So when I turn the device on, I'm pretty much always in the basic setting, but I can actually go in and change it to another setting, and in this setting I can alternate between the basic and the sedation setting. So let's see what I do. So I go back to basic, so I might brush the area of pain for a while in basic, and then I might want to change my setting immediately into sedation, and I just hit start, and look at that. What happens is the sedation setting comes back, and to change it back to basic setting, I simply touch the home button again. So let's see that in action. Let's imagine I'm brushing an area on my hand in basic setting and I find a really sticky point that I want to treat with sedation. It might be in, for argument's sake, swelling. So what I'm going to do there is quickly hit the start button. As you can see, it goes into sedation. And did you notice that the actual number on the energy change, which means this device down regulates the energy setting so it doesn't hurt you. And if you want to see that again, just rewind the video a little bit and you'll see it again.